Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. To understand more about the Heron's formula, let us discuss one example. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 8 cm and 11 cm, and the perimeter is 32 cm. So here I have drawn a triangle. Let us mark the sides given. Two sides are given. It is 8 cm and 11 cm. So we can mark A equal to 8 cm and B equal to 11 cm. So here I marked A equal to 8 cm, B equal to 11 cm, C is missing. We need to find out the third side. But here given perimeter equal to 32 cm. We know perimeter is A plus B plus C. So let us write given perimeter equal to 32 cm. That is A plus B plus C equal to 32 cm. A and B are given. That is 8 plus 11 plus C equal to 32. That is 19 plus C equal to 32. So we got C equal to 13 cm. We can give the value of C here. It is 13 cm. So let us write A equal to 8 cm, B equal to 11 cm, C equal to 13 cm. S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. That is equal to 32 by 2 equal to 16 cm. It is given A plus B plus C equal to 32. That is perimeter. So we got S equal to 16 cm. Now S minus A. S is 16. A is 8. So S minus A equal to 16 minus 8. That is equal to 8 cm. S minus B. That is equal to 16 minus 11 cm equal to 5 cm. S minus C. That is equal to 16 minus 13. That is equal to 3 cm. Area of triangle by Heron's formula is root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now we know S we found it is here S equal to 16 cm. S minus A we found S minus A equal to 8 cm. S minus B also we found that is equal to 5 cm. S minus C that is equal to 3 cm. So all that values we can give here. Now we need to find out the square root of the product of the numbers inside. We know 16 is a composite number. We can factorize it. 8 is also a composite number. We can factorize it. 5 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. What is prime number and composite number? A number which has factors 1 and the number itself is called prime numbers. Here the 5 and the number 3 we cannot factorize again. So let it be there. This 16 and 8 we can factorize. So the prime factorization of 16 and 8 I have written here. 16 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2, 2. So 16 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then 8 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2, 2. So 8 equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Let us replace here 16 and 8 by the prime factors. So first I replaced 16 by its prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Next is 8. It is 2 into 2 into 2. Then remaining 2 more prime numbers there, that also we can write. So now we got root of 2 into 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 5 into 3. Now very easily we can find out the square roots. To find out the square roots, you make the pairs in a group. So I got here 3 pairs of 2. Here 2 into 2 I made in a group. Again 2 into 2 in a group. Again 2 into 2 in a group. And 3 numbers are there without a pair. 2 into 5 into 3. They are having not pair. So the number with the pairs we can take outside of the square root sign. How we are taking it outside? Here there are 2 2's. We will take only 1 2 outside of the square root sign. So here we got 3 pairs of 2's. So we took 3 2 outside. The remaining are inside the square root sign. So we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into root 2 into 5 into 3. That is equal to 8 root 30. So we go to the answer. Now we need to add the unit here. This one is the area of triangle. So the unit is centimeter square. Therefore, area of triangle equal to 8 root 30 centimeter square. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.